Hey, this is AA Sarshumon. In this video, I'm going to show you my LinkedIn profile growth in just 7 days. Actually, this is my experimental result. I was learning about LinkedIn growth, so I thought I would apply it to my own LinkedIn profile and see what kind of result I get. That is what I'm going to show you in today's video. So let's get started. So let's open my LinkedIn profile. I'm going to show you the result here. I just open my LinkedIn profile. You can see this is my LinkedIn profile, and you can see here is my profile viewers. Here is my post impression in just 7 days. You can see this is my LinkedIn profile. If I open my LinkedIn profile, you can see this is my LinkedIn profile, and I get 500 plus connection here, and you can see this is my post impression here. If I click show all section, then we can see this is my post impression, and this is my followers, and this is my profile viewers, and this is my search appearance. Actually, I had an exam this week for which I couldn't share anything for 2 days. So here is task 1, which is showing during the day. You can see here. Now, if I click post impression section, then you can see the game changing thought is. You can see here. I applied it on November 16, and in between I posted 2 or 3 times and only then you can see how much the result have increased. It also growing day by day, and today I gain total impression 1031 and get that is growing 139% from previous day. And if I open 40 section, then you can see the result here. You can see on the first day I gain only 49 impression, and that is 89% from previous day. The day it had the most impression, it was only 602. You can see that I gain November 12, 2025. You can see that. Then when I started applying this method, it was in November 16, and from that day on, I was getting 220 impression, which was 54% from previous days. Then you can see it slowly increasing, and the final result is today. I hope it will increase slowly. If I continue the experiment, you can see here the result. Then you can see here is the impression 1360. The previous post I gained 12,066, and previous post didn't get that many impression here. Now, if I can bring such growth to my LinkedIn profile, then I can definitely bring such growth to your LinkedIn profile too.